Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday to all of you. My name is Samuel Okoye-Ocha. The time here now is 11:32 a.m. in Biafra, West Africa. I want to bring you advanced method of Elliott wave analysis on cryptocurrencies. As I promised yesterday when I was analyzing forex and the commodities, but I couldn't do it last night. Now I want to do it. So if you want to, if you trade on crypto and want to know what we're expecting next, just watch with focus. Just focus and watch what I'm going to explain to you, right? Okay, let me start. I will start from Bitcoin. Okay, now Bitcoin, this is, let me close this. Okay, now Bitcoin, this is a daily candle on Bitcoin, daily chart. So I want to tell you what is obtainable, right? So now this is what I think is gonna happen. Because of the way this drop happened, I don't see Bitcoin going. I don't see Bitcoin I don't see Bitcoin going up from here to the next high. The possibility is so slim. So my view that Bitcoin will just come up here and drop once more to give us what we call five ways correction. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We normally label it W, X, Y, X, Z. The only thing that we make this not happen is this: if those market makers who always cause panic deceive people once more, because I call it to deceive. They always deceive the masses who doesn't know their game. Take them into selling their assets. Now, if they can make another deception, if they can come up with another deception, people will now begin to buy. But if not, Bitcoin will just come up somewhere here and drop to around the 22,000, 23,000, 24,000 area. So I want you to prepare your mind. As the Bitcoin will likely drop once more. In fact, there's 90% chances, 90/10, that Bitcoin will drop to this area, 24,000 to 20,000, this area. So get prepared if it happens, so that it won't catch you unaware, right? So now let me move to 4 hours. I prepared so many charts. So in 4 hours, these have been my primary targets. The price has come to the target, but the way it came was so heavy. So I'm expecting a correction around this place, which means 45, 47, 48,000 before the next drop that we see the price to something 20,000 price range. Unless something happens, something unexpected happens, then we will get this. That is, if you see a sharp move, this kind of move happen the other way around, then there will be hope that Bitcoin is going up now. But if not, the bear market have come to stay with us, right? So let's go to next page. Let's go to 1 hour chart. This is 1 hour chart. Sorry, 2 hours chart, 120 minutes. Okay, now what do we have in 2 hours chart? There's no difference from what we saw on 4 hours and 2 hours. So just to make the charts clear. So one thing here today, let me also show you. I think I had 1 hour here or 15 minutes. Okay, this is 1 hour chart. They are showing the same thing. Just focus what happens here and watching this circle closely. How price reacts from this place will now tell me if price will break this low or not. So, I mean, if this current move will break it or not, price will likely break it, but not, maybe we have this, maybe some kind of correction, which may see the price come to this area before coming down. Or if price keep coming down until it breaks this low. I don't know yet. I keep watching this very area. Then this is 15 minutes chart. I don't normally use harmonics, but just to give you many options available. I also applied harmonics on this analysis. This is called cipher pattern. So in cipher pattern, we expect if what we are playing out is cipher pattern, then expect the price to turn around 32,000, 31, 32,000. If it is cipher pattern, so this if it is cipher pattern, then which means we will have a bullish move from here before the next bearish continues. So why I'm showing this, that in as much that I'm expecting a bullish move from here, it may not happen. So if the price drops, expect another bullish move around 32,000. So that's what cipher pattern has for us. So as what we expect is, I expect price to move from here, but it's likely not hold. If not, this is where I expect price to move from. So these two places, if this one doesn't work, then we're gonna have cipher pattern, and in that case, we expect price to move around. When price comes down here, we expect a move. So keep watching this range. If here breaks, watch for this. Okay. Now let's proceed to the other charts. Okay. I don't want to go to details on other page because Bitcoin is the leader of them all, right? So this one is Ethereum. This is Ethereum. I forgot to show you I closed okay. This is Ethereum. So I also applied the same pattern. Bitcoin and Ethereum is playing out the same pattern. So if cipher pattern is what we are getting, then expect the Ethereum to come down to 1,582. If not, the price might come up from here. And if that happens, if price begin to go up here, then expect price to turn down, go to this place and come down. If not, it will come up from this type of pattern. So watch out for the two possibilities. Okay. So we move. Now I only made the Bitcoin and Ethereum in detail. So now I want to show you other coins, and I will kind of fast about them. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let me go to XRP. There's something I'm seeing on other coins. Other coins are showing signs of hope. It's more than Bitcoin and Ethereum. It means people are selling more of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and to compare to other coins. The volume of Ethereum and Bitcoin being sold is far greater than the volume of other coins being sold. So that's what I see on my charts. The same thing I saw before I tell you that coins will drop. I have seen that other coins are being sold in lesser quantity than Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've seen it in XRP. So we might have a bullish in altcoins before we get the bullish on Bitcoin and the Ethereum. Okay, you see it. I can see more hope than Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is BNB. BNB is also showing the same thing. BNB might recover before Bitcoin and Ethereum. I can see that sellers are not that aggressive and they are not too much. Means people are not less people, more people are not interested in selling their BNB, right? They prefer to sell their Bitcoin and Ethereum rather than BNB. So that's what I can see on my chart. Litecoin, the same thing. Litecoin will likely break this channel anytime and price will go up. But such hope is not on Bitcoin and Ethereum. The hope will come, but I see more hope on lesser coins than those bigger gas. Now you can see DOGE. DOGE is also promising a break above. DOGE is also promising it can just make another drop, then up. That's what I can see, because the heavy sellers are no more. Maybe the heavy sellers are saying, we are not selling we are not selling again. Heavy selling is no longer on lesser coins, those altcoins. I don't see heavy sellers on them anymore. Okay, so let's see TNT. ETN, sorry, ETN BTC. Yes, the same thing. ETN will very soon go up. The sellers are not that aggressive anymore. Okay, that which means if you have those coins, be patient. The bullish might not take longer time as we expected. But right now, the sellers are reluctant to sell. Just like me, I have all these coins, but I'm not selling any one of them. I don't have any reason to sell. One thing you learn from me today is that whenever you want to sell your coin, ask yourself, why am I selling it? Am I selling it as I plan to sell, or selling out of fear and panic? Then if the answer is out of fear and panic, you are making a mistake, which you will surely regret. So if you don't plan to sell your coin, don't sell it out of fear, because somebody who knows what you don't know will buy it. Then the money you lose, the person will gain it. So I can see also hope of breaking this channel soon. CRO, the same thing. Sellers are not aggressive anymore. So maybe we're gonna get a little move or something like this, and price will move up. So why not be patient? Why not be patient? Why selling it at loss? Don't panic sell. That's my message to you. Don't panic sell your coins, because after you sell it, when the market begins to go up, you will regret. Unless you plan to sell it. If not, stick to your plan. BTC, BTUSD, I can see also sellers are not that aggressive. Almost all the coins I have checked, the sellers are not that aggressive, except in Bitcoin and the Ethereum. Other coins are showing signs of hope. I just tell you what I saw on my charts. You see this, whenever this type of channel is moving, the next thing you see is that you will see a move such a move upwards, unexpected. So my advice for you is to have patience and don't sell your coin unless you have planned to sell it. If not, leave it. It will appreciate. Theta is dropped. Theta is even showing signs of buying. Theta is even not that that source panic sale is not much on Theta. Yes, just like other coins. SHIBA, just like other coins. SHIBA is even showing signs. SHIBA is not. In fact, if you were agreeing with me, don't sell your coins, please. Don't sell your coins unless you plan to sell them. If because of fear, maybe they're going to fall to zero. Don't sell your coin. That's my advice. So I'm coming to the end of this video. All these coins, they don't. No hood selling anymore. I don't see hood selling anymore on these altcoins. So expect the break of this channel. Those channels you see, once they are broken properly, buyers will appear. When I say broken properly, that's what I mean by broken properly, because a channel can be broken, but not properly. Not all breaking requires immediate action. So that's all for today. As I always say, if you want to learn, we are willing to teach you. Just spend little money. We'll teach you whatever you need to know in order to trade successfully as a technical trader and fundamental as well. I'm a technical trader. Let's say I'm 90% technical trader and 10% fundamental trader. That's why whenever I look at the charts, I will tell you what will happen. And 80 to 90% of the time, it will happen like that. My records are there. Watch my previous videos and watch what happens in the market. So if you want such knowledge, then you inbox me, we discuss, you pay the little money, I teach you. Okay, I have analyzed currency pairs from BSY, USD, and so on to gold. I've not analyzed all these pairs. So it's on my last video. If you are a forex trader, you go and watch them. Okay. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.